Hello guys, this is from Auto Ignite Store. Today I am going to introduce you some of the latest accessories available for Nuthar. Coming from the front, we have three designs of front grille. This one is called the Gladiator design and it gives you a bit tough look for your vehicle. This Gladiator grille will give a sharp look to your vehicle compared to all other design grills available for Nuthar. Next, we have the most trending and the most selling Jeep Rubicon design grille, having 7 slots and a curvature on the headlamp. If you are planning to give your car a classy look, then this is the best option. Then we have the 5-slot Angry Bird design. This is a 5-slot Angry Bird design grill for Nuthar. It is having an Angry Bird cut over the headlamp. About 5% of the headlamp will be covered over this design. That is all about the front grill. Then coming towards the lighting system, we have LED headlamps, 7-inch LED headlamps in many designs. And here I am going to show you some of the trending design of LED headlamps. This is a minus design headlamp, LED headlamp. It is having a wattage of 90 watts for the top model, and it will give you a better vision and it will give you a good smoky look. You can just go through the headlamp, the inner side of the headlamp. See how it looks. This glass is unbreakable and IP67 waterproof. One of the main features of this headlamp is that it is having a breather valve inside. Actually, in modern cars, we can see forming of mist inside the headlamp, and after some time, it will automatically clear off. The same phenomena works in this headlamp. After a drive through the rain, the mist may form inside the headlamp, and soon it will be disappeared with the help of this breather valve. And then we have one special thing, the Jeep Rubicon design LED fog lamp. This is how it looks. It is having a metallic body with IP67 waterproof. Then the working voltage is 9 volt to 24 volt. And it is available in dual color also. By default it is coming in white. If you switch off the lamp and again if you switch on, then the white will turn to yellow. Then we have the rear bumper reflector lamp. This is the rear bumper reflector lamp for Nuthar. It is having a very attractive design, and it is a triple mode lamp. That means it is having park, brake and matrix indicator option also. Then we have LED bars in different dimensions. This is the curved LED bar in 51-inch dimension. It's having a curved shape, you see. It will cover the front full length of new Thar. Coming towards the protection side, we have radiator protectors for new Thar. One of the major problems faced by most of our customers is that their radiators get damaged easily. The main reason is that the radiator of new Thar is situated away below than it should be. So in order to protect your radiator in such a situation, you can use the radiator protectors from our side. We have the 4 mm thickness mild steel radiator with fully water jet cut, having an attractive design and variant colors. If you want a low budget one, we have the low budget one also available with us. The main difference between our radiator guard and others available in market is that our radiator guard is directly connected to the chase. We have done it purposefully because if you keep this radiator guard on a rock, then it won't affect the front bumpers. We have a lot of options for radiator protector guard. We are mainly using 2 materials. The first one is 4 mm thickness mild steel and the second is 4 mm thickness aluminum. The both are available in the same design, and if you are looking for a low budget radiator protector, we have that also available, having a bit low thickness. You can see the thickness of both this one. This is having, it is 2 mm mild steel and this is 4 mm mild steel. This 4 mm mild steel is also replaced in 4 mm aluminum. It is more lightweight than this mild steel. Now let me introduce you one of our latest product for people using automatic variant of new Thar. It's nothing other than the rest pedal or dead pedal. This is a product and you can see very attractive design over it. And no drills are required in the vehicle. Already the Mahindra have given an option for that. If you are looking for custom parts for your off-road vehicle, kindly contact us because we have our own designing team and manufacturing section. We have a lot of off-road accessories and many of other automotive accessories. And if you are interested in our product, we assure you perfect packing and shipping across India. Stay tuned with us for the further updates of new products. Thank you.